In the previous video, we created a simple Python guessing game and we ran it online on replit.com, the website we are using throughout this course so far. If you have followed along and you now feel confident that you like programming and Python, you can install Python locally on your computer. Running Python locally is far more powerful and flexible. For example, if you are building a more complex game and you want to use graphics or you want to use sounds, you have to use Python on your computer. Let's just quickly talk about installing Python. In order to run Python programs on our computer, we have to install Python, just like we install any other software. The first thing we have to do is to go to python.org website and from the download menu select to download the latest Python version for our operating system. I am using Windows, so I'm going to download Python version 3.10.5 for Windows. This is the latest version of Python at the time of this recording. If you are watching this video at a future date, there might be a newer version of Python available for you. If you are using Mac or Linux, the procedure is very similar. So we have to click on this button and wait until the download is complete. Now we have to double click on the downloaded file to open the Python installer. Now before pressing the Install Now button, be sure to check the Add Python 3.10 to Path checkbox. This is very important. By default, the checkbox is not checked. If you don't check this checkbox, you won't be able to run Python from the command prompt later. So we check it and then we press the Install Now button. Now Python is installing on our computer. When done, we have to press the Close button. Cool, Python is now installed. Let's now see how to run the game we developed in the previous video. To make things simple, I will work on my desktop folder, but you can work on any folder you wish on your computer. First, let's create a folder and we will call it Python game. You can name it whatever you want. Then we open this folder and inside it we create a file and we will call it game.py. Python programs have a .py extension. Now we have to open the game.py file with any text editor. I am using Notepad today just for demonstration, and inside it we paste the code we developed in the previous video. I'll put the code in the video description in case you need it. Now all we have to do is to save the file and close the text editor. Now we have to open the command prompt window. To do so, we type cmd in the Windows search bar and click on the command prompt result. To run any program from the command prompt, we have to navigate to the folder the program file is located and run the command python space and then the program file name. So we have to navigate to the Python game folder. We have to type cd desktop / Python game. Great, we are now inside the Python game folder. To run the game file we just created, type the word Python and then the name of the file. So we type python space game.py and we hit enter. As you can see, the game is running and it asks us to guess a number. Great, we are now running our game on our computer using Python. Cool, huh? Now you can go ahead and make changes to your game and then run it again locally or run all the other programs we have developed together during this course. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.